What's going on YouTube? Marcus Zor. Thank you for tuning in to the channel again. And thank you for watching my videos, man. Really appreciate it. The community is growing on the channel, and I appreciate you guys' support. And yeah, we're going to keep pushing forward and looking for opportunities because crypto is growing like crazy. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to, in this video, look at this cryptocurrency called Algorand. So Algorand is very, very interesting because currently they're paying on Coinbase. Coinbase is advertising that they're paying you at API 6%. I go to my portfolio, and this is my portfolio, right? I got a small portfolio like you guys, and we're gonna grow it, right? So that's the goal of this channel as well, to grow your portfolio. So as you can see, rewards right here. This is my lifetime reward. So basically, just by holding Algorand, you're accruing interest on your cryptocurrency, right? So you're pretty much getting paid in dividends for Algorand, which is pretty cool. And it's currently being advertised for 6% on your Coinbase account. You can actually go on your phone, you can see it a little bit clearer there. But yeah, Algorand, man, and yeah, this is my lifetime rewards, and it's growing. And it's not growing so big right now because I don't have a lot, right? I don't have a lot of Algorand, but if I just keep adding to this, it'll start to, definitely build up. And not only that, Algorand is really, really cheap right now, right? As you can see on the chart. So I'm looking at Algorand BTC trading pair. So just go to tradingview.com. If you don't have an account, it's free. Set one up, and just continue to watch my videos. I'll show you how to put together your little portfolio as far as like on a watch list, so you could look at different cryptocurrencies like I have for mine, right? I'm looking at different trading pairs against BTC for these altcoins because these altcoins is very, very cheap right now, and a lot of sellers then sold out of their positions, and we really get in at these great entry points right now, as you can see on the charts. And you can see Algorand really sold off, man, like crazy. All right, so if I pull out the ruler here, right, these are opportunities we look for. This will grow your account, especially if you're patient enough. And you can see what was the big sell-off percentage. So that's about 90%. Yep, about 90% sell-off in this cryptocurrency. And this is what you don't do, right? So this is what happened pretty much with this cryptocurrency, right? Buyers and sellers, right? Going back and forth saying, oh no, this is worth this price. No, this is worth this price. And ultimately the sellers is winning because no buyers want to buy it, right? So sellers are just pushing this cryptocurrency down. Buyers stepped in a little bit last year, but since then it's just been selling off, and it looks like Algorand has definitely hit a bottom. So and that's good for us because we can get in cheap, and this is going to be able to grow our portfolio as well because Algorand will go up in value because they advertising a good API compared to the banks, right? The banks API is like 0.12%, like something really, really low. And if you put your money in crypto, you get a better return on your money, right? On your crypto. So this is the cryptocurrency space. So you're earning crypto, which means you're earning money, right? Adds up to dollars, right? You cash out for dollars. And it's a great opportunity because you buy in here. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just showing you opportunities. This is something that I'm doing, right? Getting in here. And I think this price will go up in value. And at the same time, I'm earning interest on my Algorand. So I'm making, double the money on my, just by holding Algorand because it's has an opportunity. It's giving you pretty much money, right? So you're pretty much staking Algorand. So this is Algorand. So go to Algorand.foundation, and I can show you a little bit more about this. Let's go to. Trying to find a resource. I was looking on this earlier on my phone. because they have a this rewards program. Let's see. So this is a proof of stake. So proof of stake means that um, so you can see the little rewards information here. So it's proof of stake just means that when you hold a cryptocurrency, you're pretty much staking it, and that means that you're helping secure the blockchain, right? So cryptocurrencies are blockchain, some of them, and when you help secure the blockchain, you get rewards for that, and that's pretty much what's going on with that's what staking means, and you're just holding cryptocurrency and helping secure the network and make sure that nobody can attack it and do malicious things on the network. So it's an incentive for you for your services, right? And that's a great opportunity for Algorand if you want to hold it. Because I'm definitely hold it because like I said, I want to grow my account. And let's go to development awards program. Okay, it's under facts. So let's go under facts, and you guys can see rewards, and that's algorand.foundation/FAQ. Just go to that site and you can read information on the rewards and how they're um, how they're doing it to pay you, and you can compound your Algorand as well. You're gonna have to do this differently because I don't think you do it through Coinbase, and Coinbase as well is taking a little bit of your rewards for you holding it on Coinbase. So I will show you a future video so you guys can do it another way so you can get your full rewards, because Coinbase is taking some of these rewards for you holding it in their wallets, right? Because it's a custodian wallets. So custodian wallet means that custodian wallets are wallets that's by exchanges, right? Like Coinbase, Binance, Bittrex, all these exchanges. If you want to hold your cryptocurrencies on their exchange, you can, but they're going to charge you a fee, especially if you're staking your cryptocurrency to earn rewards, right? There's a fee for that. So I can show you another way where you get your full rewards and not have to pay the fee to Coinbase, right? And this is just a service that Coinbase is offering, but I'd rather not have that service, right? I'd rather get my full rewards because I know how to do so, and I can show you guys how to do it as well, so you guys can earn extra interest on your Algorand, right, and make more money. So that's Algorand. Yeah, Algorand is definitely a undervalued cryptocurrency. It's currently ranked. It's currently trading at 44 cents a share. They have about 803 million currently circulating with a max 10 billion circulating. Market cap is underneath 1 billion, so I see opportunity again that this could go up. And great volume, about $202 million dollars in volume within the last 24 hours, and it's ranked 73rd. So definitely this could be in the top 30 cryptocurrencies as a currency, or even higher, because they're definitely offering you great API on your money, which is 6%. And you guys can always look at more information, looking at their Twitter, at their Reddit, their Telegram. So just great source of information here for you guys about Algorand. So yeah, just want to show you guys what Algorand is. Just pretty much what they're trying to do is it's a borderless, just their protocol as well right here. What they're trying to do, Algorand removes the technical barriers that for years undermine mainstream blockchain adoption. So they're pretty much trying to help blockchain scale and become borderless as an economy. And this could be huge, right? Especially in cryptocurrencies, which is right now, as far as market cap as a whole, it's only at 966 billion. So we was at almost 1.2 trillion. So lost a little bit of money there. So that's where the opportunity lays as well as a space. And yeah, definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what cryptocurrency you guys are looking at. I can show you guys how to stake it. Just buy Algorand. So if I go to hit buy real quick, I could just go look for Algorand, which is below here. ticker symbol ALGO, and then I could just hit buy if I want to just put $20, and this will add up, right? Just put $20 here, $5 here, $10 here, and then your lifetime rewards will start to kick up a lot higher because you're adding on to it, and Algorand is going up in value, right, as well, because it's definitely undersold right now. It's very, very cheap, right? It looks like a bottom out compared to this bottom here, so a lot of growth potential, right? As far as percentage gain, you're looking at least 269%. That's just to be on the conservative side, but as you can see, this thing was really sold off, and your gains could really be a lot higher if you just be patient. So let's really look at this chart here. We're really patient, right? At least 800, at least that's really up there. 950% return on your investment if you're really patient and you really believe. As you guys can see, this thing really sold off, so it's a lot higher, right? Let's do it one more time. See how high this thing really is compared to its all-time high, right? 2,334% gain. And crypto is really taking off right now. So yeah, just looking at opportunities like this to grow your portfolio will really help, especially minimum amounts of money. That's how you grow your account. Yeah, Marcus Czar, and we're going to talk about the next cryptocurrency. I don't know which one next, but we're going to look at it. I'm really looking at REN. Touch bases on REN, REN BTC, and see what really REN is about, and see if it's undervalued.